ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Kaseng Congress kabasong hagaliang Pyrshah jong ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ haga khatsau tarik ubunai nailur arajar arpuai kala penbena bakala Weng no ye ka no confidence motion bakala ra Pyrshah yo Lamphang jong ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ka jilla uba medba lingdo haga jing yakren bat kilat pathai khubor unong elam jong ka liang Pyrshah Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong bayaga resolution bala phasha ka assembly secretariat kat kum ka kindon jong ka rule of procedure and conduct of business but lingba ka kindon ka basispa hanyo pukundai jong ka riti sinshar ka ri India la Weng no
there was a conscious decision of the CLP that since our point was already to a great extent met through just submission, therefore further pressing for resolution to be taken up in the House is felt not necessary. So communication has been already given to the Assembly Secretariat that the resolution so submitted on that particular day under the relevant rules of provision of under the relevant rule of the rules of procedure and conduct of business and under the provision of the Article 179 of Indian Constitution stands withdrawn. See, I think the intent was to only send a message that usually it is expected that when one occupies the office of the Honorable Speaker, then usually we expect that one should obviously demonstrate that whole spirit of true democracy where you have the complete independence of legislature from executive as the respective pillars of our democracy. That is what we try to indicate and that is understood by all of us. Important is that once a resolution is taken up, then the whole ramification of the debates and other things can culminate to anything, which we do not want. Okay. Therefore, even by submitting and tabling this resolution, the feeling has been already expressed. So it suffices our purpose.